In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to Nightcafe's AI art generator. This is a revolutionary tool, because AI will draw anything we describe in detailed words. Let's try Kitten in the Woodses. I believe we can create up to 10 free images a day. It will take about 30 to 60 seconds for the finished image to show up, because there's a queue. Our image is being processed now. Now, that is one amazing drawing, and that took less than 10 seconds. There are a lot of styles to choose from. Let's create some more. Look at that masterpiece. It seems the drawing was not centered for some reason. Sometimes, AI will generate art that are not accurate. We need to provide as much details as possible to avoid such issues. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.